After spending years examining the evidence about Bill and Hillary Clinton's abuse of women, I've documented the hypocrisy, dishonesty, and irony of Hillary Clinton's quest to be crowned the ultimate champion for women, our first female president. Kathy Shelton is one of the earliest victims of Hillary Clinton's abuse of power. Kathy's trauma at Hillary's hands tells you all you need to know about the real Hillary Clinton. Hillary's arrogance, duplicity, and ruthless ambition surfaced in the Kathy Shelton case and became her lifelong pattern. In 1975, this innocent 12-year-old girl living in Springdale, Arkansas, was attacked by 41-year-old Thomas Taylor. Taylor grabbed Kathy off her bicycle and beat and raped her so violently she was in a coma for 5 days. Doctors told her she would never have children. As a lawyer at the legal aid clinic, Hillary Clinton heard about the case and stepped up as an advocate for the young girl. Oh wait, that's not true at all. Hillary, the so-called feminist, heard about the case and as a favor to the judge and prosecutor, volunteered to replace the public defender and help the vicious criminal. Let's be clear, she wasn't a public defender, she wasn't required to take this case, she chose to jump in on the side of a child rapist. She knew she'd win this case and pad her resume because the judge and judge's son were political donors and supporters of Bill Clinton. And along with the prosecutor, they were all liberals who believed that criminals should be punished less, not more. Hillary is on audio tape admitting she knows this creep was guilty, laughing and boasting about getting this rapist off with just 2 months in jail.
Took a lie detector test. I had to take a polygraph, which he passed. Forever destroyed my faith in polygraphs.
Hillary won this case because she made up terrible lies about Kathy, blaming this innocent girl for her own rape, saying she fantasized and romanticized this experience and sought out older men, tactics that would be banned under modern rape shield laws. Hillary won because she got the judge's son to sign off on a court order granting a pretrial hearing, even though the judge's son wasn't a judge, wasn't even an attorney, and had no business signing a court order. Hillary won because she removed physical evidence from the crime lab, took it with her on a personal trip out of state, disrupting the chain of custody against court order, then lied about having expert testimony that the evidence wouldn't be sufficient to prove rape. There's something wrong, something missing for a woman to take perverse pleasure in twisting the system to set a child rapist free. She laughed about it and bragged about it, showing a chilling soullessness, if not downright evil. After traumatizing Kathy Shelton, Hillary's arrogance and ruthless ambition show up over and over again. She used insider information to profit on cattle futures, committed fraud in the Whitewater land scheme, fired people to give federal jobs to her cronies in Travelgate, smeared and intimidated the women who have spoken up about being sexually harassed and even raped by her husband, lied to the Benghazi widows, put national security at risk by taking quid pro quo donations to her Clinton Foundation from anti-American entities, and hid all her wrongdoing on an illegal email server. Hillary's corruption made sure a jury never got to punish Kathy Shelton's rapist. This week, by voting, you can be that jury. You can deliver a verdict to Hillary Clinton that justice is alive in America, that crime doesn't pay, that any politician who dares corrupt our system to enrich herself will be judged guilty. Let's make this week the end of Hillary's career and restore some of the justice Hillary stole from Kathy Shelton at the start of her career.